really wanted to show this trick. Lee, what are you doing today?
So today I'm putting on this vintage water transfer sticker. This is like a new old stock from, I don't know, probably the 60s. And it still has all the instructions on it. These are cool because I've noticed that the colors are still like super vivid on these, and they stay that way even though they're so old. But how this works, we realized that not a lot of people know what this is because we put one on our camper and we got a lot of attention on what exactly that sticker is and why does it look the way it does and whatnot. So we figured we'd make a video this time. You could still get these all over the place. Like I got this one on eBay for pretty cheap actually. And in our experience, they still work, but I don't know if that's always the case, but we're gonna hope that this time is gonna work just as good as it did for us the last time. So how these work is you soak this whole decal in like lukewarm water for about 15 seconds, and then you take it out, and you could either, I think you could only apply it to the face, or no, it says in here you could do it, so you could either apply it on the outside of the window or on the inside and have the face stick to it. Because in the instructions here it says, dip decal in water for about 15 seconds. Best results are obtained with lukewarm water. If there's more than one decal on the sheet, cut the sheet apart, blah, blah, blah. Slide the decal onto the desired location. Press out all air bubbles. Allow several hours to dry before handling. That's pretty much it. And then it says, for windshields or any glass applications, if decals should be applied face up, be sure to sponge off glue from back of the decal after application. And I did that on our the other sticker we did, and it seems like it worked pretty good.
All right, let's get to it then.
So let's get after it. So this is gonna go on the inside of our back window.
We steel wooled the front and the outside of the glass just to prepare the surface for better adhesion. So he's soaking it in the water now.
Steel wool works great for cleaning glass if you didn't know. So we'll let that soak. So you want to try and keep it submerged. I probably could have used a little bit bigger of a bowl, but this is still working fine. Take it out of there.
Yeah, like that.
Give me the squeegee.
Yeah. So this is a great type of sticker to have because despite sun exposure, the color does not fade or change. And obviously, you know, because it's mounted on the inside, it's pretty waterproof and weather resilient at that point. So if you've gone to car shows and seen these stickers on cars, know that they've probably been on those cars for a pretty long time. And the art and the graphics on these stickers, it's very fine print. It's something I haven't seen anyone produce to this caliber nowadays, so you can only find stuff like this if it's old school. I'm not sure what technology they use to print these decals, but they're really, really finely detailed, a lot of color, very vibrant. It's a must-have if you have a vintage vehicle.
You kind of got to be careful because I think because these are so old, they can be really delicate. So you might get some cracking. Try and peel this back as gently as possible. wet the sponge and give it to me? Alright, so I soaked the back side of this with a sponge, and it seems like it let go, because now I could kind of slide the whole backer. So, try and slide this off.
This is a less aggressive way of trying to remove the sticker from the backside, because now instead of peeling and risking lifting the graphic along with the backer, once you can slide the backer like this, you keep the angle obviously next to nothing, and the sticker and graphic stays adhered to the glass.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I think this one was drier than the one we used last time.
Yeah, so every single sticker, you know, it's case by case, and how they're stored affects it.
This probably could have soaked for
a little bit longer.
But
I mean, that worked out really nicely though too.
yeah. And they say to like sponge off the adhesive layer on the back side of it, because it has adhesive on the back too, in case you want to stick it on the outside of the window. I'm a little weary to do that.
Yeah, I think just leave this, honestly, because it's trimmed, it's die cut.
Yeah, and I think on the other sticker I went back a couple hours later and did that, and it was able to dry it a little better. But
Yeah, there you have it.